If we all have one thing in common, it's that we hate dealing with email. Day in and day out, whether it's spam mail or another forward from your grandmother, we have a lot to sort through, and it's something that most of us can't escape. Now, the best way to deal with email is definitely on the desktop, but mobile apps are catching up fast, and if you want to get to inbox zero, there's only one that's going to help you do it. A good email app needs to load messages quickly, but it also has to let you do things like reply, archive, delete, and schedule them with just a few swipes or taps. It should also have a great design, not just so that it looks good, but so that it's also easy to use. On iOS, the app that we recommend that does all this and then some is Outlook. You can do so much with this app that it almost feels like you're using the desktop version of Outlook, but here you're only using your thumb. Like most email apps out there, Outlook has quick swipe options for archiving and scheduling emails, but you can also customize these to do just about anything else. Outlook also separates the clutter for you with a similar feature to Gmail's priority inbox, and it seems to work even better. It breaks your inbox into two sections, focused and other, and if that's not enough control, you can also set up quick filters. All of those do the most important thing, they save you time, so you can worry about something other than your email. But the best thing about Outlook is all the stuff that it does that other email apps can't do. It integrates your calendars and your files from different services, and you don't even have to leave the app to use them. That also means that you can do things like see all the files that you've sent a particular person, or quickly attach files that you don't even have on your phone. You can even accept calendar invites without even opening up a message. Outlook does all the hard work for you. Now, there are a lot of other email apps out there. Mailbox looks the best. It's clean, it's simple, and if you don't handle a lot of email every day, it might be a good option for you. The Gmail app for iOS is pretty great too, and if you have a Gmail account, you're probably already using it. However, and this may be a surprise, but Microsoft's Outlook handles Google's services better. Being able to access your calendar or your files without leaving the app is just too good to pass up. If you want full control over your inbox and the services that surround it, Outlook is your only choice on iOS. Now, Android is a different story. Don't get me wrong, Outlook is pretty great on Android too, but it can't beat how quick and simple Google's native Gmail client is. Not only is it probably the most beautiful, but it's also fast. Gmail offers actionable notifications on Android, so you can do things like mark emails as read without even leaving other apps. Outlook is pretty good on Android, but it's just slower than Gmail, and it's a lot buggier than the iOS version. Unlike with iOS, Android is a lot more of a level playing field when it comes to email apps. It'll be worth your time to actually look around at some of the other options. Boxer has a really fast app that lets you do things like add emails to a to-do list or send them right to Evernote. The MyMail app has some cute animations, and its sidebar offers the quickest way to switch between accounts that we've seen. Mailbox's design is even better on Android, but if you're afraid you're going to delete important emails, you're probably going to want to look elsewhere. Typemail has a powerful app too, with quick account switching and access to a task list, but the design is cluttered and the way it loads emails is just too counterintuitive. Reaching inbox zero may seem like a fantasy, and for most of us it probably is. But using apps like Outlook and Gmail will give you the best chance.